Okay guys, welcome to Pictures Part 3. Alright, today we're going to work, or this time we're going to work with shapes. So, we're going to learn how to insert a shape. We're going to learn how to format a shape with colors and borders, and then we're going to see how we can type in the shapes. So we got 3 different ones to look at here. This one right here says pick a 6-point star. So we're going to go to Insert, and we're going to click on Shapes. So we're looking for a star, so stars are down here. So we're going to scroll over, and that says 8 points, 14, 4, 5, and 6. So we're going to choose a 6 point, and if you notice, we get these really little tiny, where I'm circling, little black plus here across our little hairs. So we're going to, you got to click and drag it out to make the star. Automatically sets it up in this blue color, which is just considered blue accent 1. Alright, so we're going to change the color to gold accent 4. So up here, if you notice, we have the drop down key, and these are set up with orange, gray, and gold. So we're going to choose gold accent 4, so that's the right color. If you go down, they're different. This is an outline. This is subtle effect, and so forth. So we're going to choose this first one. So now we put our shape in, we changed the color. Now we're going to create a gradient dark variation from the center. Alright, so remember we're working with shapes. So right here under the shape field, we are going to hit that down arrow key, and we're going to go to gradient. And then it says a dark variation from the center, so we got light, here's dark, and then this is top left, so we got to kind of look for the center here, and this says from the center, so we're going to choose that one. And now we're going to type in number 1, or the hashtag number in the 1 side. So all you have to do, your shape is highlighted, all you have to do is start typing. So we're going to hit Shift and 3 to get that hashtag, and then type a 1. And there it is. It plugs it in there. Now if we want to put our cursor here, if we want to put our cursor back in there, we want to press Enter, and then we can actually hit the center key. We can center it. We can do that as well. Alright, let's look at the second one. Pick a hexagon. Alright, so we're going to go back to shapes, hit our down arrow key beside shapes, and under basic shapes we've got to pick a hexagon. So we got to find a hexagon. And remember our cross little tiny plus or cross like hairs, so we're going to drag it out. And it is in blue, but this time we want to change the texture. So to change the texture, we still are changing the fill color, and this is not our shape styles. So we're going to find the word texture, and we're going to look for water droplets. And this is water droplets. Looks like pieces of water. Alright, and it says change the line weight to 3 points. So we are still, okay, now we're under the shape outline. So we're going to go right here to weight, and we're going to choose 3. So it makes that line thicker. And it also says change the line style to dash. So we're back under the outline, and we're going to change the dashes to the word dash. So this one is round dot, square dots, and dash. So now we've got some cool dashes around it. Alright, our shape effect, we're going to choose blue glow. So now we're under shape effects, this third one. And we're under glow. And we are going to do a blue. Alright, this is blue, and this is blue, so you can choose whichever one that you want, like a lighter blue or a darker blue, whichever one you want to do. That's really cool. I love the glow effect. All right, now we're going to type our name in here. So remember, all we do is click on it and we just start typing. So type your name. All right. So if I put my cursor here and put my down arrow key, whoops, and then I highlight my text, go back to home, we hit the center, and we can't see that very good, so I'm going to put it in black so we can see that a little bit better. Alright, now for the last one, we are going to use a call out, and it's called a cloud thought bubble. So we go back to insert and we go to shapes. Our call out's down here. So we're looking for a cloud. So let's see if this is it. Alright, this is a cloud thought bubble. So there it is right there. Remember, we get those little tiny pluses, and we're going to drag it out. Alright, everything, all your shapes come in the same color. So now we want to change our color to a light blue. So we don't want to use one of these. Let's go over here and let's choose a light blue. Or actually, this one right here is called light blue, so we're going to choose this exact one. Alright, and now here we're going to change our font color to white, and we're going to type in welcome. So we can go ahead and go back over here to home, change that to white, and we're going to put our caps lock on and type the word welcome. So as we highlight that, let's make this bigger. Let's try 30, and let's drag this out just a little. Our sign, and I'm going to put my cursor there and press enter. And there we go. Just to make it look a little bit better. Okay, that's how we do shapes. And now make sure that you complete your picture starter file under shapes, and then do your avatar under shapes.